what would be some of the ramifications if you had a 0% tax on US-based crypto or blockchain projects? First of all, not really clear what it means to be a US-based project. Back in 2017, 2018, the rage was to have a DAO, a distributed autonomous organization. Bitcoin was the first DAO, so that no ownership is controlled by one person or one entity or one country. This was quite the rage, and most of crypto is like this. It raises the question of what makes something US-based if its ownership is diffused and decentralized. The proposal that Eric Trump has made to put things under US projects goes against that philosophy of crypto. But there's a way around that. Any asset that might not qualify as a US-based asset, you could set up a US-based company which would tokenize that asset. Maybe it would be a wrapped coin or however you want to think about it. So let's say Binance, BNB, Smart Chain. Well, we could create a US company that would issue a US BNB coin, which would be a wrapped coin in using a US shell. And now all of a sudden, BNB would be something that could be sold and have zero capital gains tax using the USA BNB coin, if you will. So this is very interesting. So not only would US projects benefit from the 0% capital gains rate, but US companies could then wrap, encapsulate, or otherwise do that for foreign coins. So bottom line is this form of tokenization or re-tokenization basically makes all crypto assets benefit from US tax rates. I think also that an elimination of capital gains tax on crypto would also put the stock market in jeopardy because they are still subject to capital gains tax. So unless there's a removal of capital gains tax there'd be significant forces keeping this proposal from happening because this would just gut much of the stock market. What would be the answer? Well, I think your answer is tokenization of the stock market. We've seen Larry Fink from BlackRock pushing for this. Tokenization of stocks would be a part of a massive ramification, not only of the stock market, because now if it's tokenized, it would be a 0% tax on its capital gains on those tokenized assets. But I think we'd also start to see the tokenization of all sorts of assets and property, including real estate. You tokenize it. Once it's tokenized, then it's 0% capital gains tax. And what we have here is a rapid, extremely fast tokenization of all assets in the US. This would be the herald for the true Finance 2.0.